Welcome to All Saints Catholic School e-learning. In this video, the big idea we are exploring is how to create the past tense in Spanish for regular verbs ending in AR. By the end of this video, you will have an understanding of how to use the past tense for regular AR verbs. Being able to construct the past tense in Spanish will be extremely useful in your speaking, writing, and reading exams. In the speaking, you will need to make a reference to past, present, and future events. In your writing, in your 16 markers, translations, and your 32 marker, you will have to describe and narrate with reference to past, present, and future events. And in the reading, you will have to be able to identify the past tense, recognize it, and make links with the other types of tenses. In Spanish, we have two types of past tense. In this video, we are trying to learn how to construct the preterite past tense. This type of past tense is useful to describe specific actions in the past, actions that are fully finished. So let's say, for example, that I wanted to say I danced in the past. Yesterday, 2 weeks ago, I danced. The first thing you have to do is think of the infinitive, to dance. In this case, in Spanish, bailar, which is an AR verb. You will have to start your verb with yo, which means I, and then the next step will be to remove the AR and put an E with an accent instead. If you have a look at the example, yo bailé means I danced. How do you do the same sort of process but with a different person? Let's say, for example, that you wanted to say we danced in the preterite past tense. We danced. In this case, what you have to do again is think of the infinitive, to dance, bailar, which is an AR regular verb. Remove the AR and put another ending instead. In this case, the ending is amos. Therefore, if you have a look at the example in the yellow box, you will have to start your verb with nosotros, which means we, and then jugamos, which means played. Finally, if you have a look at the green box, how can you do the negative form of these verbs? It's very, very easy. The only thing you have to do is add no in front of your past tense. So, for example, if you wanted to say I didn't dance, you will have to say yo no bailé. Don't forget the E on bailé. And if you wanted to say we didn't dance, you will have to say nosotros no bailamos. Great work, well done. You now have a secure understanding on how to form the past tense with regular AR verbs in Spanish. Now search for the Working It Out video to help you understand this big idea and how this links to your studies. Muchas gracias. Adiós.